Hi, my name is Farah, and today I want to share with you what dentists don't want you to know. But before I get started, I just wanted to say that the information in this video is for educational purposes and is not intended for a substitute for professional dental advice. So to get started, there are a few different ways to treat toothaches, oral infections, and whitening of the teeth at home without expensive dental appointments. Probably the best for toothaches is clove oil. Clove oil is often used to treat oral infections. It can also be used topically as well, due to the ability to kill both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Researchers also believe that eugenol serves as a natural anesthetic, which can reduce pain that stems from a sore tooth. Cloves also contain anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis properties that can inhibit the growth of pathogens and provide an overall boost to your dental health. Cloves can also help to regulate blood sugar levels, promote healthy bones. It helps with digestion. It reduces inflammation and boosts your immune system. It can also help to improve your liver. Chew 2 cloves a day in the morning on an empty stomach to help regulate blood sugar levels. The eugenol that's found in cloves helps to regulate your blood sugars and detox your lungs and liver. Well, my sugars are getting kind of high, so I think I'm going to try chewing 2 cloves a day to try and lower my blood sugar levels, along with getting rid of some of my bad habits as well. And I guess I'll have to make another video for that one. So the second and biggest secret that dentists don't want you to know about is oil pulling. Oil pulling is simply just taking a teaspoon of organic coconut oil. It's going to be thick when you first put it in your mouth, but it'll melt, and you swish it around in your mouth for literally 15 minutes, and then you spit it into the garbage. Do not spit it into the sink because it'll clog your sink. So you spit it into the garbage, and if you do this, it will give you healthier gums. It will reduce inflammation and whiten your teeth. It will also get rid of plaque and bacteria and freshen your breath. And if you do this every day, you will never get cavities, and there won't be much use for you to see a dentist, which is why they don't want you to know this. So there it is, the 2 biggest secrets that dentists don't want you to know. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.